In today's video, I'll teach you how to sign in TeamViewer app. First of all, open the TeamViewer application. You can see over here I've opened it. Tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, tap on this option sign in or create an account. Now you'll be able to sign into your account, or you can also create an account for yourself. Tap on this option sign in that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to sign in to your TeamViewer account. You can sign in with email, Microsoft, Google or Apple. Tap on the sign in method according to your preference. Here I'm just going to enter my email. If you've also entered the email, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, enter your password over here. If you have forgotten your password, you can tap on this option forgot your password and you'll be able to reset it. Now after you enter the password, tap on this option sign in that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll be signed in to your account. So that is how you sign in TeamViewer app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.